Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be a dog and see what happens. And here's my avatar that I mostly like. You see a little booger right there? Oh, don't mind my face, my extra large face. So we gotta my tail. Put it in my body. It's a good thing I save some slots I could use. And now we gotta take out this hair. Okay, now wait. What? Wait, let me pop. Oh wait, it wouldn't work. So we'll just move on. Come on. Well, we gotta look like a dog, so we got a face. Face that looks like a dog. We want to look like a nice dog. Should we be a dog? Or dog? Let's actually do a cat. Okay, so now we need to turn green. Well, we don't have to be green. Now we need to get some pans.
Where's my Daisy?
Yeah, I'm at my grandma's house. So I'm just gonna get a shirt that would probably look good on this cake. Let's just get a shirt that doesn't show up. Okay, let's just get a list thingy. Oh wait, I got a baby. Oh yeah, I'm chilling with my baby clothes. Or what was I supposed to get? Oh yeah, homeless clothes. Do they have any ears for me? I could use. Yeah, my sister and the little ones are playing something. So yeah, I'm just here. Is there any ears? I'll pause it when I'm done with my avatar, I think. Okay guys, I'm back and I got the swag. What's my name? I got the swag, man. Wait. It makes sense. This makes sense. Wait, I need to turn small, don't I? This makes sense. This makes sense for every owner to have. Every cat to have. Huh? My kid is suffering in the floor.
Oh.
My kid is suffering. He suffers every day. He suffers when I jump. Hi. Oh, let's say hi to this woman. Hi. Hi. I think we're getting adopted, boys. Huh. Wait. Did she speak? Hi. Can you adopt me and my kid? My kid is literally suffering in the floor. You adopt me and my kid. He suffers every day. Hola. Soy Dora. Yeah, this street doesn't work too much for me. I'm gonna go get my swag, bro. My swag. Okay, go. No, what the weak? I'm so weak. Down in Ohio. I think we should go to the other neighborhood. Sorry, I was not talking. Hi. Is she gonna ask her out? Ask her. Ask her, homie. Okay, I don't think nobody wants a cat for sale. Guess I'm gonna be stray forever. Now, what? Okay, where should I stay, guys? Hi. Hi. Can you adopt me and my baby? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Hi, son. I'm a cat. I'm a cat, not a boy. Not a boy. Not a boy. Bro, I can't go on. Okay, I'm just gonna go on her back. I'm not a boy. Well, I am a boy. Well, I am a boy. You look cute too. Okay. Peace. Peace. Oh. Yeah, this is too... I don't think being a cat is my type, so... Yeah, bye. I'm gonna just live here. So, yeah.